Are you looking to put AC plugs and outlets in your vehicle or your car? Well, in this episode, you're gonna learn from the Ampeak power inverter. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Today we're going to be looking at the Ampeak 1200 watt power inverter for your vehicle, car, or whatever. You can take and put AC outlets that are powered up to 1200 watts for you on the go. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do an unboxing. So, Brad, unbox it.
All right, we have the Ampeak 1200 watts pure sine wave power inverter. So let's get it out of the box. See what all we get with it. Right on top, under the cardboard, we have our paperwork. Then we have the inverter itself. It's actually in a very nice size. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger than this, but this is awesome. So let's get it out. Oh, nice. Looks real good. It's a very nice orange. We got two fans right here for cooling, our positive and our negative post. On the top we have an LCD screen, some nice branding. Other end we have 3 AC ports, 2 2.4 USB ports, and our power port, along with a remote switch port. Then in the bottom of the box, we have some attachment cables for the positive and the negative for attaching it to the battery. That is everything you get right out of the box with the Ampeak 1200 watt power inverter. So let's go get it hooked up and see what we think.
Ampeak True rated continuous 1200 watts of pure sine wave output power and 2400 watts of peak power DC 12 volt input. It features 3 AC outlets and dual 2.4 amp USB ports, providing a stable form of pure sine wave through Ampeak low interface technology, producing a cleaner, smoother, reliable power. It's got anti-spark protection, the Pro Chip control circuit, to achieve no sparks when you connect positive and negative terminals, to protect your safety and to avoid damage to the battery connectors. Use the Ampeak 1200 watts pure sine wave inverter with safety and no scares. 17 safe protections. The Ampeak 1200 watts pure sine wave inverter is the safest. It's the most advanced pure sine wave, best technology. It provides 17 safe protections: anti-spark, bus over voltage, bus low voltage, VCC low voltage, reverse polarity, and so much more. The digital LCD display masters the power inverter working status. It can show you the input voltage, the output watts, output current, internal temperature, battery status, and so much more. The Ampeak Safe Power Inverter used the classy orange color, that it is obviously high quality and high value. The internal structure fully considers the safety and isolation of voltage, safety distance, magnetic ring shielding, advanced heat dissipation. It's got everything. It's one of the most effective monitoring systems when it comes to temperature as well. You can't go wrong with Ampeak. We believe in their product and quality, and the company offers you an 18-month hassle-free, no questions asked warranty. That's what Ampeak has given you right there, so pretty amazing. But guys, they've made an amazing power inverter that offers so much and so much power that you can do so much with it, and at a great price. So we want to give a huge shout out to Ampeak for sponsoring this video and allowing us to bring this product to you guys. Check out our link below to see what the deal is right now and get yourself protected with one of the safest power inverters on the market. But guys, that's been the episode. I want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Later.